Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as the thumbnail suggests, I'm going to talk about the importance of having your own website. Now, you could be a freelancer, you could have an e-commerce store on Amazon and other e-commerce portals, but why you should have your own personal website? And I'm going to back my statements with proven results shown on the screen that would be more than enough to convince you that you need to have your internet-based assets, primarily your website. First thing first, I'm going to show you the results that are going to change on my left hand side. So these are the screenshots I receive on my website filled via contact us form, and people get on my website, they fill in this form, and then we receive these emails. These are the emails I've received in the month of October. That's when I'm recording this video, 2023, in case you watch it, in 2024, 25, whatever it is, because it's a new channel, it's going to take time for viewership to hop in, but I'm okay with this. My purpose is to create content. My purpose is to educate people. My purpose is to allow you to have the freedom that internet-based businesses give you, particularly freelancing. But then the fear is, who would visit my content? And the purpose of recording this video is to inform you that this is just a spotlight we put ourselves in before starting any work. Truth be told, unless you do it, unless you take care of the nitty-gritty details that I'm going to talk in this video, there would be no eyeballs on your website. So what are those nitty-gritty details? First thing first, you need to put the content people are searching for, particularly on Google search engine. How do you do that? You look for the keywords that are in demand related to your niche. I use a software called Neil Patel's Ubersuggest. You could use Href, you could use any other software for that matter. But the reason why I use Neil Patel is because it gives you a liberty to see what's happening country-wise. And most importantly, these keywords are also suggested in the form of propositions and questions. So I like Neil Patel. The idea of using this software is to see the search volume of a particular keyword in a particular country along with the advertiser money that's put, which essentially means that this keyword is also used for advertisement purposes. And then last but not the least is the keyword difficulty, ranging from the scale of 1 to 100. The color changes from green to red depending on the hardship of a keyword. So if a keyword is easy to rank, it would fall inside the green area. But if it is hard to rank, it would go towards the darker color, ending all the way to the red color, which means it's a software's way of suggesting that this keyword is hard to rank. Do not waste your energy because you've got a new website. The importance of knowing your keywords, particularly the search volume and their keyword difficulty, allows you to pick them and use them on your website. You would be advised to use the keywords people are searching for rather than using the keywords you think you are searching for. There's a fine line between what you search and what the world is searching. Let's go for what the world is looking for. And this software provides you all those keywords the world is searching for, particularly on Google search engine. Then the second website I would recommend you is answerthepublic.com. Again, Neil Patel owns this company. Answer the Public, once you type in a keyword, it suggests all the queries submitted on Google in the last 48 hours. Isn't this interesting? That you get to know what people are actually searching for, including the propositions, including the questions, and then you can see the volume of that particular query or the keyword by going back to Ubersuggest website. Google My Business is another important element local businesses ignore, and it is for free. Google My Business allows you to submit your brick and mortar business by giving the address, your phone number, your email address, and people can search for that particular services and Google My Business listing pops up. Dentist, offices, corporates, design agencies, e-commerce, brick and mortar stores, everybody needs to have Google My Business, commonly known as GMB. Alongside having a presence on internet by having your own website and then putting in the keywords people are searching for and then having a presence on GMB, you'll be advised to have a diversified social media presence. Now, I know I'm talking about website, and where does the social media presence connects with a website? Here's the reason you need to understand. According to Sundar Pichai, CEO Alphabet, a company that owns YouTube and Google search engine, there are over 200 parameters a website gets ranked for. And I genuinely believe one of that parameter is social media traffic. I've created a lot of content on my main channel. You can see the link somewhere up there. I believe that social media traffic weighs in heavily, and it allows, or perhaps encourages would be the right word. It encourages search engines to rank you higher for your business related keywords just because there's an external traffic coming onto your website. So if you have a diversified social media presence, Meta owned companies, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and when people click on the link and they get onto your website, it automatically is an encouragement for Google to index you higher for your business related keywords. And the reason is very simple. The credibility and the kind of traffic that's coming from different avenues. Not just one social media website, but multiple social media websites are throwing that traffic your way. And once you get that traffic, it automatically encourages Google to index you higher and higher. This is one hack I have observed over the years. Last but not the least, the importance of having email newsletter on your website. People like giveaways. People like value addition in their life. And if you've got something that adds value in their life, could be a free ebook, could be a free giveaway, could be a premium knowledge not everybody has access to on the internet. You can convince people to subscribe to your weekly, bi-weekly, bi-monthly, whatever you choose, a perfect fit for your newsletter. So whatever you choose for release of your newsletter. People get premium knowledge for free if they opt in to your newsletter. You could advertise your new product as an e-commerce store. You could tell about your new services, discount packages. December is just around the corner. Holidays, Christmas. You can talk about huge discounts to your loyal email subscribers, and that automatically means a lot of traffic coming onto your website. Once people see the link in the newsletter and they click on it, they are taken to your website. And then, of course, it's your landing page and it's your contact us form that captures the leads. And then it's your business development skills that would convert those leads into prospects or potential buyers. Website traffic is for real, folks. Sooner you realize the importance of having your website, more beneficial it is for you in the long run. The midst of all the saturated competition international marketplaces has. If you're a freelancer on freelance marketplaces, or if you got an e-commerce store on e-commerce marketplaces, you would be advised to have your own digital presence and focus on search engine optimization, focus on search engine traffic, get the traffic directly onto your website, capture the leads. So, 4 things to recap. First, have your website. Second, email newsletter. Third, focus on the keywords people are searching for. And fourth, social media presence. This would enable you to get good eyeballs among search engines, not just Google, by the way. Google is the Godzilla of search engines, but also on Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines as well. But for this to happen, you got to have a website. Thank you very much.